forget to optimize or you just fail to optimize your Pinterest pins properly, Pinterest is going to have a hard time indexing your pins, and you probably are not going to be found in search. You are wasting your time on Pinterest if you're not optimizing, because Pinterest, at the end of the day, is a search engine. So in this week's video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and dirty tutorial on how to optimize your pins, both static and idea pins, on Pinterest. I'm showing you the static pins on desktop and the idea pins on mobile, so let's hop right on in. Okay, so optimizing your static pins starts with your text overlay. You want to consider adding a text overlay to your pins because Pinterest can read what's on your image. So if you need to give context to the pinner, add a text overlay and make sure you use your main keyword in that place. The next place that you're going to optimize is your pin title. You want to write a really good pin title using your main keyword. After that, you want to write a really solid description. Now, you only get 500 characters for your description on static and video pins as well as carousels. So you want to make sure you use up all of that real estate. I prefer to use a Mad Libs style method of writing my pin descriptions using 5 keywords. So I will drop all 5 keywords into the box and then write sentences around all 5 of them with a really good call to action at the end. The last place on static pins that you will actually optimize is putting in an alt text. Now, you can only do this on desktop if you're using a scheduler to publish your pins. Skip over this, don't even think about it. The alt text, however, is only to describe what's in the image and a bit of your description. So make sure you describe the image so someone who visually cannot see it knows what it is, and then put a little bit of your description so they can understand what it's about in that alt text as well. Your alt text is limited to 500 characters, so make sure you keep that in mind. Then you're going to put in your URL and you are going to choose a board. Once you have done all of those things, your static pin is ready to be published. You can publish it now or schedule it for later. To optimize your idea pin, I am showing you this one on mobile. You're going to go ahead and use the text overlay, the pin title, just like you would on static pins, and you're also going to write a solid description. However, understand that you can add more details, including lists of things, any additional tips, supplies, instructions that will help people to execute your idea fully, so you're not actually limited in your notes section to 500 characters like you are in static pins. So I've pre-written just a basic title and description we can use. So you're going to go ahead and add your title here. This is required. And you're going to go ahead and add your notes. The notes is not required. However, I do suggest always adding a description. And remember, in here you can add other things to buy, and then, you can go ahead and add your list of things to buy. All right, once you have added your title and notes, go ahead and pick your board. Don't be shy on adding it to a board. A lot of people are realizing now that they can pin idea pins without choosing a board. It's very important for indexing that you do choose a board. And then go ahead and add your related tags. So in this case, you can add up to 10 tags, and you want to add as many as you can. So try to find as many relevant tags. And then let's do fitness to the 10 that you can do. So fitness tips and fitness, women's fitness. Now that we have all 10, we are ready to go ahead and edit our cover. This is part of optimizing fully. So make sure that your cover actually includes your text overlay, because in a lot of cases, the video is going to slide in and it's not actually going to have the text at the very beginning. So let's make sure that we have our cover on there and it is set and ready to go. And that is it. Advanced settings lets you toggle on and off comments or show similar products from your idea pin in search. You can toggle that on and off if you would like. And that is how you completely optimize an idea pin. A couple of final notes to be sure, just to hammer this home. Alt text is only available on static images, and tags are also available on video pins, just like they are on idea pins. However, on the video version, you're going to optimize it exactly the same way as your static pin with the tag feature from idea pins, and then you get alt text as well. For more tactical Pinterest tips just like this one, you can head on over and watch our Pinterest marketing strategy playlist or visit Pin Profit Academy and get started today. That's it for this week. I'll see you next time.